Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the primary Instagram account and any linked Meta accounts. This ensures the right profile is synced. Open Settings, then Account Center, and enable account linking. This gives Instagram permission to share name, profile photo, and contact info. Once done, turn on Contact Sync or sync profile info in the relevant toggles, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version so new sync features are available. Begin immediately. Don't delay that initial link step. Select Interpreter/Runtime. Bottom left, choose Correct Version, Save Workspace. Use Integrated Terminal, Control+ to run your build, test, or start commands without context switching. Make sure to set up tasks. JSON to automate builds and launch. JSON to define debug configurations. This saves time and ensures consistent behavior. Once both are configured, run a full build and start a debug session to verify breakpoints. Watch variables and step through code. You finish by integrating source control and polishing settings. Use the source control panel to stage and commit frequently, then push to remote so changes are backed up. Enable settings sync to carry extensions, themes, and key bindings across devices, making setup faster. Make sure file associations and editor settings are saved in workspace settings so teammates share behavior. If something breaks, restart the window first. If the issue persists, disable recently added extensions to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.